Hey guys, welcome to Tasneem Study Vlogs here. Today I come up with the subject of biology. So we've got the basic concepts of biology in class 8 and now we have a much broader discussion to it. So here are the contents of what type of chapters we're going to have and what they're going to contain. So here are a total of 14 chapters, each of them containing different sides of biology. So chapter 1 contains the lessons of life, and chapter 2 tells us the cells and tissues of organisms. Chapter 3 is about cell division. Chapter 4 is about bioenergetics. Chapter 5 is about food, nutrition and digestion. Chapter 6 is about transport in organisms. Chapter 7, exchange of gases. Chapter 8, excretory system. Chapter 9, firmness and locomotion. Chapter 10, coordination. Chapter 11, reproduction in organisms. Chapter 12, heredity in organisms and evolution. Chapter 13, environment of life. Chapter 14, biotechnology. So let's head to the first chapter, which is lessons on life. So here this chapter mainly discusses about the definitions of biology, names of its branches, and naming system of organisms are discussed. So the goal of the chapter, or after reading the chapter, the things that we'll be able to achieve would be we can explain the concept of biology, describe the main branches of biology, explain the concept of the classification of organisms, evaluate the necessities of the classification of organisms, describe the systems of the classifications of organisms, explain the concept of binomial nomenclature organisms and their significance. Become conscious about the necessity of classification of organisms in practical life. So by far we have known the goals of the chapter. Now let's get to the main chapter. So concept of biology. Here it is mainly discussed that the characteristics of non-living things that are usually discussed in physics and chemistry, and biology is the branch of knowledge concerning life and characteristics of organisms, and other things like what's the concept of biology, which is like the living organisms which are basically like termed biology. It's mainly discussing different parts of studies for lives of organisms, and here it is mainly like the term biology, which is derived from the Greek words bios meaning life and logos meaning knowledge. So as a whole, biology means knowledge of life. So here are the branches of biology, which are, as they say. So now here are the branches of biology. So we know that for a long time the biology was divided into mainly two branches, which are botany and zoology, but now mainly two types of like physical biology and applied biology, but they also have different branches, you see. Like morphology, they deal with the form and structure of organisms. Taxonomy is the classification of organisms, and related principles are discussed in this branch. And physiology is the biology branch that deals with the biochemical activities of different organs of organisms. Histology is the microscopic structure, arrangement, and functions of plant and animal tissues. Embryology is the branch of biology that discusses the origin of gametes. The cytology is the branch of biology that discusses the structure, function, and division of an individual cell in body of an organism. Genetics is the branch of biology that deals with genes and heredity. Evolution is the gradual development of life and organisms over successive generations on Earth. Ecology, it is the science of reciprocal relationship between organisms and their environment. Endocrinology is the field of science that deals with the study of endocrine glands and hormones secreted by them. Biogeography is the branch of biology that studies the geographical distributions of organisms and their evolutions. Now, applied biology. Applied subjects related to life are included in this category, like paleontology, science of prehistoric life forms of fossils, biostatistics, science of statistics of organisms, parasitology, which is the science related to parasitism, life process of parasitic organisms and diseases caused by them. Fisheries are dealing with fish, harvesting fish, management and conservation of fish assets. Entomology is science related to the study of life, merit, demerit, and control of insects, including damage caused by them. Microbiology is science related to virus, bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms. Agriculture are science concerning agriculture. Medical science is science related to human body, diseases, treatments, etc. Genetic engineering is science associated with gene technology and its uses. Biochemistry is, on the other hand, science connected to the biochemical process and diseases of organisms. Environmental science is science related to the environment. Number 12 is marine biology, science related to marine living beings. Forestry is the science related to forest management and conservation of its resources. Biotechnology is science associated with the technology of uses of organisms for the benefit of mankind. Number 15, which is the pharmacy, science dealing with the technology and industry of medicine. Wildlife, science related to wild animals. Bioinformatics is the biological information based on computer technology, for example, information on your analysis of cancer. So that's it for today. See you in our next video, in which we will be discussing the classifications of living beings. Till then, bye.